Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video, guys. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on allow multiple S Pens. Okay, so at the moment I have my S Pen inserted into my S23 Ultra. However, once I turn on allow multiple S Pens, I will then be able to use the S Pen from my Galaxy Note 10 on my S23 Ultra. Okay, so at the moment, the option is turned off. So when I try to use the S Pen from my Note 10, as you can see, it does nothing. It's totally useless. Cannot do anything with it. Okay, so what we need to do is just go into the settings and turn on the option. So scroll down in the settings and look for advanced features, then select S Pen, and then scroll down to where it says more S Pen settings, and here you will see allow multiple S Pens, and it explains how it works. So use another S Pen while your default S Pen is inside your phone. This uses more battery, so please be aware, guys, that turning this on is going to use more battery. Okay, so just turn it on. If it's something you'd like to use, just turn it on. And now, with my Note 10's S Pen, I can use it on my S23 Ultra, whilst my S23 Ultra's S Pen is inserted into the phone. So yeah, guys, this was just another quick video showing you how to allow multiple S Pens on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.